So today we're going to talk about how to earn free Bitcoin, right? Earn free Bitcoin. There are so many people looking for a way to earn free Bitcoin right now. Now, the way that I'm going to share with you, it may not necessarily be a way that everyone may want to earn free Bitcoin, but this is what my thought process is, right? If you are watching this video and you know anything about cryptocurrency, then you know that cryptocurrency has done some amazing things in the last couple of years, right? I can only speak about my experience for cryptocurrency since 2017. When I found out about cryptocurrency, it was around about Bitcoin specifically. It was around about, I think, $1,100 and something, right around what my mortgage payment was, right? Because if you know me, you know my story. In 2017, May specifically, I decided to go ahead and join a Bitcoin company that paid you referral commissions in Bitcoin. And I took my mortgage payment and went into a Bitcoin company, and I earned tons and tons and tons of Bitcoin for free, right? And so right now you have the ability to do the same thing. I have partnered with several different Bitcoin platforms, right? I am very particular about what my name is attached to. So you can best believe I don't do scams. I don't do anything that I feel will take anyone's money. But we all know that whenever you participate in any type of company, I don't even care what company you're participating in, that company has the ability to decide to no longer offer their products and services. You know, I used to be a realtor for a local builder where I live. And never did I think I was going to walk into a sales meeting one day and be laid off. And I found out that that business owner didn't make some wise choices. And so the commercial part of the company ended up tanking the residential side, right? And so that can happen to anybody. You know, anything can happen with any kind of product or service that you're marketing. So what I'm saying is the companies that I have partnered with right now, there is no type of signs to show me anything about them possibly disappearing. One of the companies, well, actually two of them, are connected with the company owner that has had his face out in the forefront for over 8 years. And that is a huge thing online, right? And you can reach the company owner. And they have changed their structure to where you're actually getting paid in Bitcoin, right? Direct to the member too, meaning direct to you, direct to me. It doesn't go to the company. So that is huge in itself. And then the other company, I think, has been around for 10 or 11 months, and it pays your percentage every single day on your Bitcoin, right? And I've done a little bit of research. Well, actually a little bit more than a little bit of research. And I feel very confident that that company is going to be around for quite a while, right? So if you are interested in learning how to earn Bitcoin, what I encourage you to do is to join my free Facebook group. That's the first thing that you can do, because in Grow a Big Business, which that's the name of my Facebook group, you can go to joinus247.com, and that's JOINUS247.com. You can go to and that's going to take you to where you can get access to my free Facebook group. Inside of the group, we give trainings, and we just kind of share the best strategies that we know to earn Bitcoin for free, right? And so I want to invite you to do that. I do want to say that if you're somebody that's looking to do absolutely nothing, right, and you want to earn Bitcoin, then you understand that whatever you do to earn Bitcoin is going to require you to have a little bit more of a higher risk, because you want to put money in and you're expecting to get a return out without doing absolutely nothing. That works as well. I have a platform for that. But what I am looking for is I'm looking to connect with some people that's looking to create some income with Bitcoin and earn it for free. And I want to share with you exactly what myself and my team is doing to do that. So if that is of interest of you, you know, you clicked on this video because you were looking how to earn Bitcoin for free. So if that is of any interest to you, I would like for you to join the free Facebook group, get access, get inside, and allow us to share with you what we think is the best way. And if you have any kinds of questions, of course, you know, I'll be available to answer them for you. So that's what I wanted to do. I just wanted to shoot this really quick video to invite you to my free Facebook group. I will see you inside of the group. It's your girl, Nikki Pink Goddess, signing out, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.